I wish I could say that it's a beautiful phenomenon in nature, but it is an ugly sight. It is appalling. It is a vision of mayhem and chaos and madness. This thunderstorm is brutal. A mass of water can be overflowing our ditches and our puddles in a matter of moments and minutes and seconds. When water falls this quickly, who's to say who's safe from it? I would not want to be driving on the interstate on any kind of highways or freeways or roadways in a storm like this. Holy Jesus! Thank God I'm at home where I can technically not safely film any of this, but putting myself in harm's way for the benefit of science, I'm brave enough to do it. Whew. Just like Thor's hammer or Zeus's electricity bolt, it's coming down, baby! The worst is yet to come. This is only the beginning of the storm. The lightning shows no bias as to where it's going to land next, and the thunder has no mercy as to who its ears will it attack. Weather phenomena like this is a matter of it's just another day in the backwoods of South County, Florida in the month of July. But today you don't have to tune into Nat Geo to see something like this occur, because it's happening in my own backyard where I have dominion over what can be filmed. It's unpredictable. Just when the weather seems to be letting up, another cloud may come overhead and then it douses you with rainwater. You never know when it could occur, when it could happen, when you'd be drowning from water that comes from above. There's an ever-present danger in the world we live in. Lord, have mercy on your soul if you were to be engulfed by one of these bolts of electricity. The severity of its effects on your body wouldn't be known until your charred corpse was hauled into the emergency room by an ambulance. Terrible the thought. Herald with fraught. As an unbiased reporter, I can say this weather is shitty. It is visible, it is audible, it is tangible. These lightning strikes, this thunderstorm, it is encompassing, it is happening around us. Or I should say around me. Unrelenting is its wrath. There is no humanity to compare it to. Mother Nature is its own destructive force that can bring beauty and love and tranquility, but it can also bring hatred and anger and things that are ugly in this world of ours.